Hey y'all, it's Wendy from Cottage 321, Wendy's Workshop on YouTube. I am heading to one of my favorite places to get some outside fall decorations for the cottage and also for my home. I'm going to a place in Granite Falls, very close to my home, into the cottage. It's called Wilson's Farm. And it is a local family here in Granite Falls that sells vegetables and pumpkins, mums. They have a corn maze. I think they even sell meats. And I am going to try to get me some corn stalks. That's usually where I get them every year. I want to see if they have some hay bales and check out their mums and definitely their pumpkins. So I'm hoping they'll let me video there. I'm going to ask them permission when I get there, and then I will show you guys. Look at the sunflowers, so pretty. So that's probably a $25 pumpkin. Aren't they beautiful? Love them. So this is the one that I like. I like the ugliest one in the bunch. Look at these beautiful gourds over here. Aren't they beautiful? So here's the gourds that have dried out, and people make birdhouses out of these. And here it is before it's dried out. Isn't that cool? Very, very cool. Love that. I might have to get him. He's so special looking. I love that. They used to weigh the pumpkins on and dummy me. That's my favorite part here. That giant old weigher. Isn't that cool? Where I'm getting my corn stalks. Very cool. And then they have more mums in the back. It's a little bit loud, y'all, because they also have rocks and mulch and everything else, but I'm going to get me some of this here. Hey, I'm going to make a scarecrow today, and I'm going to use that to stuff it with. They sell fresh eggs, and here's some of their little chickies. Hey, ladies. What's happening? Oh, look at them all coming over here. People must feed them because they all ran over here to me. Oh, hey, how are y'all doing? I'm sorry I don't have any food. So this is an old homestead here, and now they just run the office out of this old house. But I just love it. It's so pretty. Let's walk down through here and give you guys. I love this old farm, this old house. Stand back a little bit so you can get a better look. It's just really cute. Look at it. It's awesome. So no one lives in the home anymore, but they do run the office out of it. And it's just a super iconic, beautiful old farmhouse. Isn't that cool? I'm terrible at video, guys. I'm hoping I'll get better with time. I got a new camera, and let me make sure I'm wide lensed out here. I got this new camera, but it kind of goes up close pretty quick and doesn't do quite a wide a shot. But isn't that a beautiful farm? Let's see the cornfields back behind there. It's really cool. Old farm equipment. Cool barn. Okay, we're gonna go down and look, oh my gosh, at all the people. They got a pumpkin patch and a corn maze. Let's see if we can get in here. So I'm guessing this is the pumpkin patch. I just set a bunch of pumpkins out, but people can just walk through and pick out their own little pumpkins. They had some already pre-picked up there at the little retail space. But how cute is this? Beautiful sunflowers. So many people out today with their families, enjoying a beautiful fall day. Cutting the corn stalks, courting the corn. We're gonna do this maze. How cool is this? Local honey. So, are y'all? Is the honey from here?
Actually, it's about 300 yards that way.
Okay, awesome.
So we're on the back side of the farm.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Very yum. I love local honey, guys.
Do you want a sample? She'll give you a sample of it.
Yeah, please. Yes. Yum. Free samples.
It's wildflower honey.
Oh, so what just tastes a little bit different depending on what flowers they do?
Yeah, it does. Like
That's
sourwood honey is specifically just from a sourwood tree.
Oh, okay.
It's usually a lot lighter. This you can tell is wildflower because it's a lot darker, and we say wildflower because we really don't know how many flowers have been used in it, and the pollen has not been strained out of it, so it's great for allergies or anything like that.
You did so good. What's your name?
Maddie Wilson.
Maddie Wilson. My maiden name is Wilson. I know we're no kin, but I'm from like Chapel Hill, Pittsburgh, that kind of area.
Yeah.
So,
do you know who this is?
No.
Look at her hat. Cottage 321. You own the.
Yeah, I'm the owner. Yeah. So you guys shop our store?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
She's got on one of our shirts
Yes,
that
I
we've
do.
had.
Yeah,
Cottage
we shop
321?
here all the time.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Thank y'all for letting me do this. And I'm going to taste this. Oh yeah, that's awesome. So how much is your honey?
So this one is 8. These two, they are the same size, they're just different bottles, so they're 11.
Okay.
I'll video y'all.
Yeah, that honey was awesome. How much? 8?
Yes.
So do y'all only sell here, or do people come to your farm?
Yeah, that's what pretty much is what we've been doing. Yeah.
Awesome. So y'all can get some local fresh honey, and it is, I can attest to, because I have bad allergies, local honey is really good for your allergies.
Yeah. Awesome.
Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Oh, bringing in more pumpkins. Play area for the kids. We're gonna go see the animals.